Hello guys, a new mining video for Memefi coin at how to get a limited coin in Memefi coin and reach level 39. Like you see, this is Memefi coin. For people who don't know Memefi coin, it's just tapping in the screen and collect coins like that. There is tasks if you want to do tasks. It will be launched soon. Then is shop if you want to buy booster. It's for free spins here. Also there is boosters here. You claim every 3 hours. You activate every 3 hours, and after every 3 hours you collect your earning. There is levels here. I advise you to upgrade your levels as maximum as possible, like that. You can use the script, use a script to maximize earning. I advise you, after using script for one-time upgrade damage here, like you see, you upgrade damage and energy and recharging speed. Like you see, this is our bot. We will need our data from this bot to add to our script. We go to our script. This is our script. You download script from the link on the description, or link will be in description. You unzip the file and you just put after that you put nano query /id.txt. You put this one. Also the instruction will be in the site that will be in the description. For people who don't know to install Termux, and the commands or commands will be listed in order. We click in enter. Now we click in Control K. You will find empty here, and if you find the query ID, you just click Control K to empty. After empty this data, you return to your Memefi coin. You close like that, and after click in playing, you just put in fly mode and reload. You repeat this action until you get your data. There is other method, but I prefer this method. When you're clicking like that, you just after that click in airplane mode. You reload. We get our data like that. Now we return our network. Now we go to our decode query to get our data. We put our data here. Now we copy our query ID like that. We return to the script. We put in our nano. We click now in Control X, Y, then enter. Now ls, now enter. Like I told you, now we run our bot Python Memefi.p. like that. We click enter and you will see the magic. If you return to our bot, we will see how I have in my bot. You run it 2 times a day until it stops by itself. Like you see, we have this number 93. Like you see this number. Now we close. We don't open. Now we run our bot. We put for first yes, Y, yes. For autoclaim daily combo N, no, to avoid Like you see, this is our account. Now it will work. We will see the magic. After a while, coins will increase. Level will be in increasing also. We let it work for you until it stops by itself. You repeat that 2 times a day, and between make a space between them. Don't do all the time, just do for 1 time a day or 2 times a day. That's all. Like you see, it's working and working well. Like you see, the coin is increasing. Now it's 95. Like you see that it's working. I have just a connection. This is how it's work. It will increase your coins for unlimited. You let it work for you until it stop by itself. That's how it's work. You see, I just have bad connection, that's why it stops now, but it work 100%. It's at 1 billions. If we restart again, like you see, we restart again, we put yes, 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 no. We just let it work for you. It will increase your mining and level up your coins. Make for 1 or 2 per day. That's all. That's how it's work. Like you see, it's working well now. It's working well. And don't open your bot. Like you see, it stops like that. It add 2 billion. It add me 2 billion in 1 seconds. Like you see. In 1 second I have 2 billion. Let's see our level. Like that, you will get many coins. Use 2 times a day. Like you see, it's add me 98. It's increasing. This is how it's work. All link will be in the description. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.